Alrighty, welcome back, folks. This is not my first riding video and won't be my last, but this one is finally a true winter riding video. In the world of YouTube, I'm gonna have to see when I upload this and the previous winter ex-commie land riding video. But in the real world, it has been 3 days, meaning 3 days ago on Thursday, it was 10 above freezing, no snow, nothing. Today, on Sunday, it is 10 below freezing. It has been snowing all night and all day. We've got a good couple inches of snow. I mean, it's not like 10 inches, but we got like, I don't know, 3 inches of snow or something. Wonderful, isn't it? It's amazing how Mother Nature works. Bertha right here, broken out, slightly cleaned from the last ride, which you can see there was no snow. It was all just pure sand and whatnot. But no cold start from the starter just yet. However, I will be starting her soon. I'm gonna be meeting my buddy here in like 10 minutes, and I will be back with y'all once we're out riding and stuff. Or maybe I'll give y'all a cold start. We are gonna turn on the fuel, and we are gonna need choke this time. It is literally snowing as we speak. Come on, Bertha. Oh. Look at this winter wonderland, everybody. It is absolutely wonderful. I love this shit. We're still a little cold, so we're not gonna go crazy, but look at this shit. And there goes my buddy. There he is. Look at this guy. Woo! Alrighty, y'all, we are in the woods now, and it looks absolutely, oh shit, majestic. If y'all couldn't tell, it really does. Bardek, to jest pięknie. Co? No wiem I dobrze, ja takiej nie mam. Alright, my buddy had to fix his shit gloves a little bit. God damn, would y'all see this? Woo. Dude, this is majestic on another level. To some of y'all this may be nothing, but on a daily basis I don't have winter like this where I live, so if I don't visit my grandparents out here, well, I literally don't have winter. Holy shit. But yes, this is very picturesque as fuck. God damn. Too beautiful, seriously. Look at this boy. And that KTM, I love it. I helped him buy that KTM, helped him build it and tune it, so good guy, good guy. Well, we are now in the logging territory, which is fucking sad how they're cutting down the forest. Like, bro, fuck out of here, man. Leave our goddamn forests alone. The joke is, people laugh that us dirt bikers ruin them. Well, I'm gonna tell you right now, I love these forests more than these fuckers. That's for damn sure, because I would not cut them down. I would maybe trim them if it gets too dense so that I can ride, but I would not cut them down like these guys. Okay. If y'all remember from the winter not winter video, this is the first bridge that we're gonna have to be crossing to get across the river, which is by now definitely frozen, I would think, but I don't want to risk it on the bikes, you know, because, yeah, they're kind of heavy. We're heavy, like, fuck that. So it's better to just go over the bridge. This idiot. Look at him. All right. A w taką pogodę to jeszcze w ogóle pociągi? Aha, no dobra. No to bardzo dobrze, no ale na razie nic nie ma, także chociaż to. Holy fuck! Ale tu jest pięknie. This is picturesque as hell, so is that. Look at this. Now this is what you call a view. Also, we gotta get moving because it's gonna get cold. There we go, there we go. Rigo, Rigo, Rigo! What? Jesus. Now the descent down is also gonna be fun. That's why I let him go first, because if anyone was to slip, I don't want to fall on him. Yeah, the snow makes it really difficult to see what the fuck you're riding on. Like, I can't really tell if it's flat or if there's ridges or holes or who the fuck knows. So you're kind of just YOLOing through this. Tu? No na piździe i tyle. There we go. All right, no trains so far. There we go. Don't get me wrong, guys. I would love to stop on the train tracks and give y'all a view, but that is, as they would say, dangerous. So, there we go. Woo! Jesus. Alrighty. The big adventure is over for now. All that's left now is to just cross some fields and we'll be at the Sandpits. So I'll be tuning in with y'all in a sec. And you can't see me, well at least you couldn't, but now you can. Also, wow, this place looks a lot different. Oh shit, the excavator's gone. No! Look at him. That's beautiful. Should we immediately... Oh, no, there it is. I take it back. They just moved it there. Woo! Mardo! Okay, I take it back. We need a lot more speed. Bravo, Sebos! Not gonna lie to you, my goggles are really fucked up. Had to take those bitches off. But now that I got them off, damn it. There we go. Woo! Sebos! Tak, kurwa, tak! Ja pierdolę, ale nie no, jest bardziej ślisko, jest. Yeah, it is definitely slippier than last time. Like, holy shit, I have I mean, I won't say no traction, but I definitely don't have a lot, that's for damn sure. There we go, light work, baby, light work. Just had to get a little warmed up, get used to the extra loss of traction because of the snow and how thick and slippery it is. Whoa! Whoa! Jesus Christ! Okay, that was... yeah, that's what I was kind of worried about. As I was telling y'all, that it gets really deep and the bottom gets really jagged and then you're kind of fucked. Kurwa no! Zobacz, a ty masz tego imbusa ze sobą? Jak ja tam wjadę, to dokręcimy kierownicę, bo mi się ruszyła. Zobacz, szmata się po prostu kręci cała. Alrighty, handlebars fixed. They're not moving anymore, at least I think. I guess we'll find out. Oh shit. Yo! Okay. Alright, let's do this one more time. Alright, we're good. Had to get warmed up. There we go. God damn, dude, there's no brakes. On the way down, there is no brakes. Ah, okay, that one's actually easy. Dude. That's funny. That was funny. Now I'm covered in snow, as is everything. He just threw dirt right at me! No mordo, widziałeś jak ja pojechałem? Ale dobre, bo teraz nie ma śniegu. Zczyściliśmy cały. Alright, well, he does that. There we go. Yeah, I really do need more throttle. The snow is taking its toll. I wonder if y'all can see. Seba, woo! Ty! Nie no, to nic z tego, ja się też ślizgam. Dobra. No i ale... Czekaj. O, dobrze, dobrze, ciągnij go. Super. Pięknie. No nie tak. Dupę. Pięknie. Jest. That's how it's done. There we go. Bitch, oh shit. That was close, but bitch, this is ex-communism. Woo. I'm gonna try it slow. Seba! Halo, idźże, kurwa! Nie, no oni podebrali. No podebrali, no. Może dam radę. Almost. I think yesterday the excavator guys picked out a run-up, but it's fine, you know, can't blame them. Boss man says you gotta bring sand, so you gotta bring sand. No idioto jebany, ileż można? Nie! No kurwa! Kurwa no! Nie! Ty szmato! Co? Ja muszę chwilę. O, brawo! Sebuś! Dobra, motor wyjechał. No. No, ja myślałem, że wyjadę tu pod ten pion, ale trochę jest stromo. Wzięło mnie w luz. XD. Serio? Tu? Aha! Czyli da się. No to dobrze. Jestem! 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 O! Wyskoczyłem! Bitch, this is Poland, suko! Okay, sorry, I turned off the camera. That was good, but I got airborne right there. Look at that mark. And it hit my nuts, my seat so hard. I let go of the whole bike. My balls. Oh no, I can't move. I gotta take a seat. Whew. Fuck, that hurt. But I did it, bitch. Oh, okay, I gotta get up. Oh, the bike's gonna lose fuel if I keep it laid down. Oh, my nuts. Co? Zaraz tam zjadę, to mi pokażesz. Ale Sebuś, wisisz mi dyszę. There we go. That was nice. Sebuś, pięknie to było! Alrighty, y'all, we did a little bit of a break. Quick lunch. It's fucking cold, gotta get moving again. So we're gonna warm up the bikes and do some more climbs. Ale udało się, wejdziesz! Seba! I gotta go around. Kurva! Alright, y'all. We're fucking tired. So, we've been out here since like 9 a.m. It's like, I don't know, 1 or 2. It's cold. We gotta start heading back. But, we've tackled these. We started falling on those. That's how you know that it's time. So, we're gonna... So, easy. Oh, look at that. That was funny. Alright, I forgot what this one's like, but actually that's easy. Tutaj ładnie, ładnie. Dobra. No, trochę mnie wbiło tutaj, chuj. No ale jakbyś tak w pizdu mu dał, no to by się może dało. Ale znowu, żebym tak trochę na jajach wylądował. Ała. Sebuś! Wyjechał! Dobra. O, shit! Ale... Sebuś, czekaj, bo ja się zsunę. Złap go. Kurwa, weź go. Na tą, raz, dwa, trzy. Czekaj. Raz, dwa, trzy. I drzesz ty. Dobra. No to teraz jest gilfa. O, mi wiatrak chodzi. Tak, wiatrak jeszcze sobie włączę. Yeah. Safe to say, he always makes fun of mine for being a gilf with its ass ripped open. Well, he's joined the club. Alrighty, ladies and germs. GoPro battery changed. Sebuś is out here fixing his ass on his gilf. And I'm gonna tackle this one last time. It is like, I don't know, 2 p.m. We're gonna be getting out of here. We're tired as shit. We're about to hit reserve. To było dobre. Mordo, ale na kamerze jest idealnie, jak przednie koło tak flu. I told y'all, these KTMs are indestructible. Alright, ladies and germs. I think he's left me already, so I gotta go. But I gotta tell y'all, shit was crazy. It's like 2:30 or something. We've been out here since 9. Honestly, when you're as tired as we are, it doesn't really even feel that cold. So I don't even feel cold anymore. I do feel hella tired. Like, oh shit. O, no właśnie, jak tam tamta? Ty byłeś zobaczyć tamtą? Alrighty, because that was the other mine on that side, which if you remember from the winner not winner video, we hit up 3, because there's one here, and there's one back there where he just left, but I don't know, I guess we got too distracted in all the fun in the big one today, which is fine. That one is the biggest and has the best climbs and shit, so whew, can't really even complain. Whew. Whew. All right, man, would y'all look at this view? Seriously. Oh wow, the river's actually not frozen. That's crazy. Well, it wasn't like that cold. It was only like 5 or 10 below freezing. Like a month ago, shit was like 20, 25 below freezing. And that's when they were telling me that, oh yeah, it was frozen. Whew. Sebuś, sekundy, już nie zjeżdżaj. Jeszcze chcę poprawić do tyłu. Damn it, I just realized I forgot to film the descent, guys. I'm sorry. We're gonna make our way up here. All right, it's time to go, because, yeah, everybody's fucking tired now. I had to fix my goggles, but honestly didn't do much. They're still frozen to shit and got sand everywhere. So, yeah, I'm kind of gonna just YOLO without them, unless the snow really starts to come down hard. now I'm gonna film the descent for y'all. Just trying to not get shit all up in my spokes and my wheels. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. What? All right, that was easy. Toss that bush. Check it out, ladies. His ass is a guilt level now, that's for sure. The graffiti is also, oh yeah, woo! The graffiti is very cool. Woo, that sound, man. The echo of that two smoker, oh shit, oh my God, is something else. Oh, fuck. Whoa. What was that? Did y'all see that shit? God damn. Who the fuck went Seba! Seba! Somebody went mud bogging here like today, I swear to God. Okay, that's crazy. Who the fuck and in what vehicle? Cause that ain't small shit, man, like. Whoa! Yo, I felt my rear end just completely swing sideways. Oh wow, look, more Jeep guys, I think. Maybe ATV guys, who the fuck knows? In my own reserve, I think so. Okay, oh my ass. My legs are tired, everything's a little tired, man. I was gonna say, y'all tell me if it's recording. The winter wonderland is real though. Still isn't like, you know, ridiculously covered, but it is covered, it is covered. Yeah, we gotta get those engines a little warm, because the joke is, they're like fucking 60 degrees or something, I think, Celsius, of course. So, they are cold, even though we've been riding them. But, you know, low RPMs, slippery riding, cold weather. Yo, wow. Gonna wait for Sebush. It is fucking windy. Yo. Yeah, out here in the open, I can feel it. I just got chills over my whole body. Or I think it's open. Chyba działa. Yeah, this thing is fucked. Whoa. Ladies and germs, beautiful day. Sandwich high five. Best fucking day ever.